Here's a brief walkthrough on how I do my self cut. First step is to create my bald line. Flip my trimmer so that I can get closer to the skin for a better transition. Right there, I click my lever all the way open so I can get my first guideline in, setting it about an inch, blending that in to the next one, and also clicking it again to the second and then the third, doing the same process from the first. Using my 0.5 guard lever fully open, I'm going to start a new guideline. I'll close my lever all the way and blend between the half no guard and the 0.5 fully open. After that process, I'll use my 1 guard fully closed to set in the new guideline. Next thing is 1.5 guard. Closing it all the way, we're going to debolt going straight up, creating the shape of the cut. Assisting that method, we're going to use the 1 guard all the way open, blending the closed 1 guard into the 1.5 guard. Once opening and closing is done of the 1 guard, we're going to strip the clipper to no guard fully open. We're just going to work the clipper open into the fade, basically open and closing it until the fade is completely out. So I'm just going to speed up the process. Yes, right here we're just going to apply some of our favorite enhancements. Once that's done, we're going to do a little bit of fading into the beard. Basically the same process as fading the first time in the video. Yo, we made it to the end of the video. If you found this video at all helpful, give it a like and a thumbs up, man, and subscribe to my channel.